I'm Taylor Baker, and I am here for like postpartum pelvic floor weakness and incontinence issues. So when I'm running or picking up my toddler, and I also have been to Limitless before for nerve protection from my pregnancy as well. I would love to be able to run, just squat down and not have to go change my underwear, things like that. So I did chiropractic work, especially when I have the nerve compression. That was from my first pregnancy. I was seeing a chiropractor, and they're actually the ones who recommended me to Limitless or referred me to Limitless. I've done that, and then just some of my own like basic trying to roll out or trying to, go do yoga and just trying to do some of the self-management stuff at home. Yeah, so Pinnacle Hill Chiropractic, I was seeing them for a while in my first pregnancy when I had the nerve compression issue, and Rachel found that, my actual bone structure and everything was pretty much in alignment every time I was going, but I was still having like severe pain shooting down my legs and things during my first pregnancy. So she thought sending me to Limitless and getting, a pelvic floor assessment would be the most helpful. And it was life-changing to come and get support that I needed. So I think at Limitless, their approach is like really rooted in education. And so partly some of the reason why I've like just continued to come back is I just learned so much after every session. I've worked with both Arissa and Amelia, and they bring out the whiteboard and they're drawing diagrams and they're like showing me, why these symptoms are happening and what are the things that are triggering it, and different things that can prevent it. And then now let's work on strength to help build up kind of the stability that I need. So I feel like I've learned so much about my body that is, essential. And I feel confident that when I am done having babies and done with these symptoms, that I'll be able to utilize a lot of the workouts and a lot of the different exercises that they've taught me and things to just help my strength throughout the rest of my life. So I'm really grateful for that. So they're like, the teacher in them is really incredible.